Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw Boxing Roo from Stumble Guys. Now I'm going to start with his nose. The reason I'm starting with his nose to make his face look good before I put the helmet and everything else around. You could use construction lines if you want to construct him up, but I'm just doing it with pen straight up. So that's his nose and his mouth. This is his cheek. And he's got a bit of a cranky mouth coming around like so, and then this is the bottom of his mouth coming around here because he's looking sort of more to the right. That's why it looks like that. Now we can go ahead and put some of his helmet on. So his face comes around like this, and then we've got his eye here, one eye there, and his other eye is going to be over here. Now if you ever want to make something look cranky, he just looks sad at the moment, but if I put these eyebrows on, he's going to look cranky now, ready for a boxing match. Now it's time for the helmet. Comes out, up, straight up here. Now he's got an inner part of the helmet, so I'm just going to draw that to help me, like this. Comes around like so, and then this is the other part of the helmet, a little bit there, comes around and up and across like so. And he's got his little bit there, a little bit here. Now he's got an ear. Draw the ear, one, little bit of just a bit of hair, and then the other ear, the inner line for the ears like that. Now the bit of his neck line there, then it comes down and out. That's one arm. Now his other arm comes down and you don't see as much of this side. So this is his body coming into his leg. And now his arm is in here, boxing gloves on. So a big boxing glove, that's big in red. And then this one here, it's got a big thumb on his boxing glove. He's got like a lighter patch on his belly, so I'm going to bring this curve, comes around and touches there. It comes up and around like this. Then he's got a leg here that comes down, and this leg is more side on. They got some big feet to jump really high. 1, 2, 3 toes into the leg, and then this one you're looking more straight at it, so we'll bring the toes 1, 2, 3. And bring that in like that. I'm just going to make his nose a little bit bigger, and I'm going to colour that in black. Looks better already with a black nose. I'm going to give him an outline, thicker outline,